Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Fontaines D.C. What a great band here. And this song is called Favorites. Favorite for a long time. Alright, so we're gonna look at this one without any capo. So we're gonna dive right into the chords. We have first the E. Alright, so that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be C sharp minor, but with the G sharp added to the bass notes. So what you do there is to play a bar on the 4th fret over all strings, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. And the final chord will be the A sus, and that is open A, second D, second G, open B, and open E. So we have a main pattern in the song, which goes pretty much 90%, except from the bridge part. This is what we are playing. All right, so the main part will be E, the G sharp, C sharp, and then the A sus chord. So we're gonna go through the strumming for each and every chord. So it differs a little bit. You're gonna start with E, and you're gonna play down, 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 up, down. So down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, that's the E. Then you go over to the G, C chord. You play down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So down, up, 2 times, and then up, down, up. So together, so far, it will be like this slowly. And then you have the final chord, the A sus, and you're gonna play down, down for 2 times. So down, 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 up, down, and then down, down, up, down, up. Down, 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 2 times like that, and then down, down, up, down, up. In the same way as you played the G and C chord there. So down, down, up, down, up. And that's it. So slowly, E. And tempo. So that is the main part of the song. We have now a bridge part. It starts about 2 minutes and 22 seconds into the song. You're gonna use the chords, the G, C chord, and the A sus chord. You're gonna switch between these 2 chords for 3 rounds. I'm gonna tell you how. So you're gonna start with the G, C sharp minor chord. So you're gonna play down, down, up, down, down. So down, up, down, down. And then once you play that, immediately you jump into the A sus and play up, up, down, up. And then 3 times up, down, up, down, up. So 1, down, up, 3 times of that. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So again, G, C chord was down, down, up, down, down, and then on the A sus you can play up, up, and then down, up for 3 rounds. So slowly it goes like this. For 1 round. And that is 1 round. You're gonna play for 3 rounds. So in tempo, 1 round goes like this. And a couple rounds. play for 3 rounds, and that is actually what you're gonna do as well. And that is the only part that differs from the main, which was the E, the G, C, and the A sus, which was like this. Alright, so there you have a great song from Fontaines D.C. Favorites. Alright, and I really like this boy in the beginning of this music video who tries to sing something, and yeah, it's just catchy. Anyway, hope you understand and like this, and if it was helpful, please let me know. Leave me a comment, thumb up this tutorial, and until next time, play tuned.